trying to do a very quick and cleaner walkthrough on how to get ChatLangchain, this app, to work on your local machine. So the first thing we're going to do is to download the GitHub repo, this ChatLangchain repo. So we go back to VS Code and we run this git clone. It will just take a few seconds. And after that, we are going to open this folder and start to download the entire document files. So what we do is go to this ingest.sh file and we copy this line of code, come back here, and we just paste and start running. The whole process of scraping the entire documentation will take about 4.5 minutes. So in the meantime, we can do some other things. So the first thing we're going to do is keep copying codes from the Py file into this Jupyter notebook. This is where I like to work. So because this ingest.sh will keep running two files, actually it will not run these two files. So I would like to run it in the Jupyter notebook cells, which is more straightforward. So let's just do that. Basically, we just copy and paste. And copy and paste. And then we need to copy paste another two files, this chainpy and finally appy. Okay, so we got all the code we need. Now we need to make some changes because this is the first time we are going to scrape the documentation and to process the text. So here are the code we need to change. So in this quick walkthrough notebook, we need to comment out these 3 lines. Okay, why? Because this is the first time we are adding this text to the client. So there's nothing to delete at this moment. That's why we're going to comment them out, otherwise there will be error. So besides these 3 lines, there's another line we need to comment out, which is here. Okay, I already commented out. Okay, so not this one. From chain imports, this one. Yep. We don't run this one because this is already. Okay, where is it? It should be here. Yep. Okay, we comment this one out because this from chain is from a Py file. Right now we are in the Jupyter notebook cells, so it's already get run in the previous cell here. So if we keep running this one, there will be error. Now let's see. It looks like we have successfully scraped everything. Okay. It's take us 3 minutes. Much faster. Hope nothing goes wrong. So now we can run the first file, which is supposed to be the ingest Py file. Can we run it without error? We have error. Why? Because we need this Weaviates URL. So to get that, we need here the Weaviates Cloud Console. So we create a new cluster. We give it a name. Let's just say chat1. Start with a letter. Okay. It will take a while. Hopefully not too long. Okay. Let's see whether trust1 is a good name or not. Okay. It allows it. That's good. And next, we need it to be disabled. Okay, must be disabled. So next, okay, create. Now we have this chat1 name almost ready. Once it's 100%, we can start using it. For now, we are coming back to get this URL and OpenAI API keys ready, because that is where we are going to access the model and the data from. So I got some got my previous notebook right here to give me some help. So we need this 2 lines of code. Let's just paste it in the front. Now this will be changed. It's no longer this one. It's chat1. Okay, and the API, I will change it before I upload this video, so don't worry about that. Now let's try to see whether it's still running. Must be very busy. So once it's 100%, now we can start to run all the cells, probably 4 cells going down, and everything should be able to work. How long will it take? We can come back to our code and start running. Looks good. Next one. Okay, this one's still running. Haven't finished yet. Well, it says there's an error, but let's just keep it running, see whether we can get through. It looks like we have a limit on the OpenAI API key query. The key we cannot be paste here. We have to go here to paste. Let's see whether it will work or not. Now we come back to get my key. In front, right here. Now key is ready. See whether it will work or not. It will take a few seconds. Try again. Well, doesn't look good. Oh, good, it works. So that's it. We have the app running on our local machine. As for the error message we have here, and in the next cell, which is the same error message. Well, they are the same, but actually they are not strictly error because it doesn't cause the cell to fail. It's run successfully. So basically it's saying there are some limits which you don't need to worry, as it turns out it's working okay. So seems no problem, no real problem. I'm sorry this whole video thing take too long. It's supposed to be a very quick. It is not that quick. I'm sorry for that. I hope it helps.